check it out, yo. May nakikita akong island doon. There's an island. I think it's Miyakojima Island, I think. Laki ng island. Or maybe it's Okinawa. I'm not sure. So I'm kanina nasa deck 16 ako. Actually, nandito na pala sa forward ako. Yung Lido Restaurant located sa likod ng ship. So sa aft siya. I think ano siya, deck 16. So, 16 ako pero forward, walang daanan. Actually may daanan pero lalabas pa ako, so medyo mainit. So I went to deck 8 para maka-access ako, makatawid sa kabilang side. At mag-elevator uli ako sa 16 para sa Lido Restaurant. Kamalay ko ng daan. So this is my food for today. This is a Lido Restaurant. This is a roasted beef at saka Asian duck. Tsaka meron ako ditong seafood rice and apple juice. Actually, this is my second plate na. Sobrang, wow, napadaming kain ko ngayon kasi nakaraan, isang plate lang ako tapos dessert na. Kasi ito sobrang lasa ng duck nila, grabe. Actually, we are now in China. We are now in Japan na. Nakita na ako mga island dito. So, after mga 2 hours na, makakapag-duck na kami at mag-start na yung aming shore excursion going to Naha, Okinawa, Japan. So, ano itong excursion namin? So, malaman niya namin. Salad! Si Mark, umuha ulit na kayo. Nakita niya eh. Bumalik siya doon. Ito na si Mark.
Nakita na.
Good! Finally! Yun, no? Sarap. Tsaka yung naghihiwa, Pilipino eh. Pinoy eh. Nakikita ko na yung port nung Japan. Meron ako nakikita ng cruise ship din doon. So, magpa-park na yung... Hindi. May isa pang cruise ship ako nakita sa kabilang dulo. Kung anong ship to. Parang...
Doon nakalagay, basahin mo.
Baka Star Cruises din to, I think. So, ayun. So, yun, nakita ko na yung yung Okinawa, Japan. Magdadak na kami.
Wait na, galing dyan.
Ano? Kumakain ka? Ano kinakain mo?
Pancit Canton.
Pancit Canton. Sino nagluto niya? Sino kasama mo kumain?
Mami.
Si Mami kumakain.
Mami.
Si Mami kumain na ba? So, naka-shower na ako, nakabihis na. And behind me is the view of Okinawa, Japan. Dito kami sa Naha. Kaso, sa atin yung umuulan siya ng malakas. Actually, medyo pahina na nga yun. Oh my God! So, itong dilema namin, mag-shore excursion kami, pero umuulan. Well, I think kaya naman to. Bahala na yung tour guide namin kung saan nila kami dadalhin. Pero for sure to sa mall na to ang punta namin. Ito na yung mga bus. Ito yung mga tour bus ata namin to. Yan, Okinawa Limousine na kami ngayon. So, saan kami? Naha Port. Ayan, Naha Port. And this is Okinawa, Japan. Check it out, no? Medyo rainy lang. Pero okay lang yan. Nakapalit na ako ng pesos to Hong Kong dollar. Yung Hong Kong dollar ko gagawing yen. So for siguro mga 2,000 pesos mapalit natin, no? Makabili tayo ng konting maliliit na bagay galing Japan. So let's go! Sado ko muna to.
Nakalimutan ko.
Ano?
Naubusan na pala ako.
Lang yen!
I-try mo doon sa kasama sa tanong.
Okay, sure. Okay lang. Nagpapapalit kasi ko ng pesos to yen. Si ate, na Pinay, nabuhusan na lang yen. Kung mabenta siya ngayon, dito ako sa kabila. Pila muna ako. Okay, we have a dilemma, no? Hindi sila pwedeng magpapalit ng 2,000 for the Hong Kong dollar to yen. Parang ang minimum nila for the yen is 5,000 pesos. Shucks, wala akong dalang malaking pera. So anyway, hindi tayo makakabili. Pero okay lang yun. Huwag na tayo mag-shopping, mamasyal na lang tayo. At dalagala na lang. So I'm here na sa Zodiac Theater at naka-assembly na kami. Yung red sticker ko. Yung mga kasama ko nasa kabila eh. Wala nang upuan. So, daming ano, daming turista. I was expecting some briefing, no? Pero wala man briefing na nangyayari. And ang alam ko lang is we have to do a face-to-face with immigration, present all the documents that we have, the tickets also, para makapasok kami
来，上面珊珊，珊珊下来，
land area ng
站在最
Okinawa,
下面
Japan. So, ito na silang lahat.
珊珊，
O kuya. Okay, we need to be back at the ship before 11 p.m. Okay. Here we go, it's raining. Oh my God. Whoa. Grabe. Oh, Japan na guys, finally. Nasa Naha Port pa lang tayo. So I think yung immigration doon sa taas. Mahabang pila to for the immigration. Okay lang. There's the World Dream Cruise. Laki, grabe. So could you believe it, no? Kasi sinakyan namin mapuntang Japan. Galing, grabe. Kasi talaga pag cruise experience, the travel is different, no? Diyan ka lang, natutulog ka lang, kumakain, enjoying some entertainment or naliligo sa pool. And pagising mo kinabukasan, nasa ibang bansa ka lang. Yan, naka-line up na for immigration. I got my copy of my passport and a sticker. Kailangan to. This is the landing permit. Kailangan natin to. So this Xerox copy of my passport and landing permit will allow makaland kami sa Okinawa, Japan at sa pumunta namin bukas sa Miyakojima. Kompleto na. Sakay na kami ng bus for our tour here in Okinawa. So we are tour number 22.
In the bus, let's fasten our seat belts. There's two in the middle, and they are specific to the boxes.
Galing, may seatbelt sa bus,
Very
ha?
much.
Okay. O sige, mag-seatbelt rin ako.
Next to the second largest shopping center of all of Okinawa, which is
So, pinawanan ko na ng video yung aming bus. So, we're going to the Shurei Mall. Shurei Castle. Meron daw dito. So, 30 minutes lang kami magkagala lang dito. So, let's do it.
here as an individual number, and sometimes when you call an ambulance, then they would ask you, is there a vending machine nearby? And it's much easier to send the ambulance to the individual number than the street system here. Street system is like a one name, like Shinen, Uehara or so, and then it's just a bunch of numbers like that.
Video vlog check, guys. This is our first visit sa Naha, Okinawa, Japan. We're going to visit the Shurijo Castle. Kasi noong unang panahon, mga 1400s, tatlong kingdom pala yung meron sa Okinawa. Merong bottom part, middle part, tsaka upper part. So here in Naha, ito yung upper part ng one of the kingdoms. Pero I think mga 1700 daw sila naging unified as one. Okinawa government. So may castle dito. Castle. Ano lang, medyo maulan. So mahirap mag-photoshoot nito. Let's do it. Oo.
The Japanese would build this kind of a gate out of wood. So this combination, this style, but in stone you can find only here in Okinawa. And during the Ryukyu Kingdom era, the king would also come from the Shuri Castle. Each time he would depart, and then he would pray here at the stone gate for a safe traveling. So up here, these stairs lead to the Shuri Castle itself.
So behind me, this gate wall is a UNESCO World Heritage Site here in Okinawa, Japan. It's yung style niya is Chinese and Japan style of stone gate. At sabi yung emperor dito, yan emperor. Kaya minsan nagdadasal dito for good luck at for good travel. Okay, astig. Yun, sa Japanese girl here. Nice. Naka-costume pa. Ito, medyo maulan pa din. But, tuloy pa rin kami sa tour dahil nandito na kami. There's a cash exchange here, cash exchange machine. You insert your dollar at kapatan siya ng Japanese yen. But I'm not sure if there's a Philippine peso. We're gonna check it out, y'all. So they have only US, Great Britain. Okay. Well, let's confirm there's no Philippine peso. So we're going now back to the bus. And I think mga magdi-dinner na kami. It's not mga vending machines, eh. The iconic vending machines of Japan. Did you know, sabi nila, no? In case of emergency at kailangan mo ng tulong for ambulance at di mo alam kung nasaan ka sa Japan, you have to mention the serial number of the vending machine at malalaman yung location mo. Galing, grabe. Okay, si Dominic, where are we? Bus?
Over here, right?
Okay, yeah.
Ah, yes.
So I think we're going to the mall for shopping or cafe. So 8:30 daw kami makita-kita rin sa parking ng bus. Ito, pachinko and slot machines. Haven. We're entering Naha main place. It's a mall. It's a shopping department store here in Naha. It's legit to. May sasara na tata ng Japanese. Oh my God. So wala tayong yen. So tingin-tingin na lang tayo. Check it out your lace. Oh. Ganda na mga damit. So yung mga tao dito are not all Japanese. Yung nakita ko mga ibang foreign na mga tao. Some of them are employees of the stores. So it's a mixed breed kasi may mga US based din dito at nakita ko parang mga iba pang non-Japanese na nagtatrabaho. Kamo kasi Dominic, yung aming tour guide, nakapangasawa siya ng taga Okinawa. So ngayon, tour guide siya ngayon sa culture and heritage na Okinawa, Japan. Mga fashion style nila dito is very, very Japanese. Check it out, y'all. So you wanna see the millennials at Okinawa. Ano bang style nila? Kasi hindi tayo magbe-base eh. Pero looking at their clothes, medyo luma pa yung style nila. Yan. I think they're still being conservative pa. Diba? Not all are, you know, very super stylish or masyadong maarte or sexy, but no, not all of them are like that. When you are Japan, conservative sila. There's some pop culture stuff here. Some bags. Oh my God, Asian look ko. Oh, ang ganda ng Marvel bag. And, oh my God, saan tayo pupunta? Ang gagawin natin? Starbucks. May Starbucks dito. This is so cute. The tote bag is so cute. Oh my God. Ang cute. Grabe. So we are here sa Starbucks. We have a nice mini mug. Parang nakita niyo ako sa China, ganito eh. Malaki, may maliit, may malaki na Japan Starbucks mug. They have here a Okinawa mug. Super cute, super ganda. Check it out, yun. And they have yung mga ganun, yung bilog na donut. And also they have hot dogs and stuff. This is Baskin Robbins. At mayroon tayo dito Minions. Here. I see McDonald's. They have KFC. Ano pa ba? Ayun, mga ramen. Ayan. And, cinema. This is cinema. I think they show American movies, no? Na may Japanese subtitles. Ganda ng cinema nila. Check it out, yo. Grabe, ang cool kanina. Yung mall, pinapatugtog nila yung Larkin Shell, yung kanta na Stay Away. Oh my God. Super common na lang yun dito. Pero it's really nice to hear Larkin Shell music being played in a mall. Stay away pa naman. Oh, grabe. So we are here at the second floor. Wow, check out this outfit. Ang babae nga lang pala siya. Very baggy or... Second floor tayo, a lot of mga damit. Ayan, kimono style. A la lingerie. And this kind of Father's Day. That's nice. It's traditional style. Modern na lang. I think may nakita akong toy store dito. Let's check out some toys. Here's some music. Oh my God. Hindi ko na makakilala itong mga banda-banda na to. Ito si Aiko. Yes. All the best. Okay. Hindi ko na makilala ko dito. Si Hyde, oh. Si Hyde. Si Hyde. Oh, Clay. Nice. Sa J-pop o J-rock music, wala na akong gano'ng kilala. Basta kilala ko yung mga iba from late 90s and early 2000. Sanrio. My God. Kasi tawag nila gift gate. Kasi sa Manila may gift gate, di ba? Oh my God. Sinamurol. So cute. Ayoko pumasok kasi wala naman akong pambili. Oh, Hello Kitty. Nice. Ang ganda-ganda. Okay, that's the time is up na ako. Kailangan namin makita-kita ng 8:30. So, our group is here sa Caldi Coffee Farm. Yeah, for an assembly.
If you like, over here on the left side, you can try free coffee.
Free coffee? Really? I want to try the free coffee. Tatry mo rin free coffee?
Hindi ako nagkakape.
Ayaw nga pala, nagkakape. Ito, they have a free taste. Alright. Alright. One please. One. Go ahead, Kudasai. Arigato. That's cold coffee eh.
Oo, ano yun?
Nagamit ko rin yung word na Kohe Kudasai. Matutunan ko sa cartoons yun eh. Sarap, Caldi Coffee. We are real Caldi Coffee Farm. Cold brewed coffee. And it's free. Parang, ito ata yung parang pedestrian sa Tokyo pero Okinawa style. So magdi-dinner kami and this is a shopping district here in Okinawa. Ang daming mga souvenir stores. Some of them are mga westernized na establishment and some of them are original from Japan. I'm going to check it out, yo. Some stores. Also going to eat some Japanese food sa isang restaurant. Check natin to. Very interesting. Oh my God. Akainis wala akong dalang yen. Oh, sa McDonald's, oh. Oh my God, mga collections to. Oh my God. Oh my God, this is heaven. Toys. Oh my God, meron pang ganda. Babalikan ko ito mamaya. Hindi ko na babalikan, magpapapicture na ako ngayon. Come on, ito. What's this? Whales. Whale merchandise. The area is very alive. This is para ito yung parang shopping district dito. Kaya wala itong restaurant. At may mga shaved ice sila na may mga prutas. May mga yakiniku. O ba mga t-shirt souvenirs. Oh my God. Okay. Ayun ang cute doon. Mukhang okay tindahan na to. Check it out. Yeah. Puro mga aso pa. And, restaurant. Oh, meron. Everything is in Japanese, but ay, paano may mga tindahan sila na may English. Ganda. Nice. Pottery. So I need to walk faster kasi baka maiwan ako. And see some interesting people in costumes behind me. Pero maingat din ako. Baka pag napaturo ako mapabili ko ng Diora. Oh, look at this store. So cute. Sorry Asha, I can't buy you a ref magnet right now. Maybe I'll make you one na lang. Don't have any yen for our shopping. So sorry Ashton. Maybe I'll get you a postcard na lang. Buka picture ko lang, gawin natin ref magnet. Sa our restaurant, kapag kakain ng dinner, Yotsutake. Modern classic, dining entertainment. Dining and entertainment, ha? Sige. Check it out, y'all. So we are here na sa restaurant namin. And here's our food on the in front of me. We have some
Jun,
pork na lulutuin natin.
Jun, yun yung ano, Jun. Ito yung may ano, pork.
Okay lang sir
There's
pa.
tofu.
Ano na lang daw?
Dito, lagay na lang dito. Para sa sabay namin.
No, we need one.
It's entertainment, dining and entertainment. I think may mga performance mamaya dyan sa may stage. So, yeah. We're getting ready na.
Two lovers. Nako, titirahin ko na to para ano.
Sige na, subukan na.
Hindi, titigman ko lang para...
Appetizer lang yung kanina.
Para makalakad na tayo.
Appetizer lang. Tinatawag tayo eh. Magbukod ako. Take out, take out.
Ah, cooking, ha? So, we're going to eat and we're going to cook our food at the same time.
Ewan ko. Ano na yan?
Para ka pa tayo nagluluto, ah. Okay, picture! We're cooking. Para shabu-shabu lang to. I think parang, I'm not sure it's kung chicken burak ba to or tubig lang. Ito isda. Kamay na lang. Talagang bukid ba to? Video vlog check guys. Tapos na kami kumain ngayon, no? So gala-gala na kami around Okinawa. Sa kanilang shopping district. So explore lang kami, isang suyod lang to doon, and then we're going back before 11:20 Japan time. So sabay ako sa mga katropa natin, baka ako mawala eh. But I'm looking for a nice spot para makapag-photoshoot man lang ako. Something very Japan. So let's go, let's find some good spot. So here in Japan, the people are very disciplined, no? Pag bawal tumawid, bawal tumawid. Pag pwede tumawid, pwede na tumawid. Pero sa Pilipinas, ganun talaga. So ayun na, habang naglalakad ako, they are offering me a lot of things na hindi ko naman kailangan. So I need to continue to walk. Baka tayo madisgrasya at mapabili nang wala sa oras. Kasi wala akong plan para bumili. Nakakita ko ng cute dinosaur doon. Punto ng dinosaur. So anyway, let's explore this street and let's see some interesting stores. Ito, Blue Seal na naman, no? Very, very popular tong Blue Seal. ice cream. So one of the popular here, you know, Okinawan ice cream pala siya. So itsura lang ako ano. You see that? Very, very popular here. Parang sabi nga nila, if you are in Okinawa, you have to try Blue Seal. So let's continue our exploration. Let's walk. So sarado na yung mga tindahan dito, mga mall, because in Japan time it's already 10:47 p.m. 1 hour late lang tayo sa Philippine time or Hong Kong time. So ayun, natala ko dun sa ano natin, sa ating bus at makapagpahinga na. Okay. Here, going to ride again the World Dream Cruise. Actually, yung mga ilaw-ilaw sila. Yung ilaw may words na World Dream, tapos Ready, Set, Sail, tsaka I Love Naha. Hindi natin makikita rito, pero pag sa malayo ka makikita nyo. Okay. Tapos sa kami sa Naha, Okinawa. Oh my God. So excited for tomorrow naman. Miyakojima. Medyo beach tayo doon. So tomorrow gagamitin ko yung ano, Sony RX0 Mark II for vlogging. Kasi mas okay siya for, it's very handy. Pahinga ko muna si Fuji muna bukas. Okay, we're back here. KKK. Here. So ito na, going to ride again the World Dream Cruise. And we are home again sa sea. So ito medyo checkpoint na to. Lago-lago na natin yung camera natin. Okay, check na tayo ulit. Salamat. So natutuwa sila pag may nagtatagalog na pasahero. So akit tayo. Puno na. Grabe. Pagpasok ko ng kwarto, mag-hot shower kagad ako. Kasi nabasa ka pinagulan kanina eh. So, para hindi tayo magkaroon ng sakit. Okay, that's my deck. Deck 11 na. And I'm excited to see my room. Let's check it out, y'all. So I'm back now in my room. So that's the end of my vlog, guys, for our Okinawa Naha Okinawa trip here in Japan. My first trip in Japan. Grabe! Super na-hyper ako dahil feeling ko nasa anime ako. Grabe. Ang ganda rin ng mga, tsaka cute ng mga girls sa mga fashion stores. So, tsaka everything, parang naano ako, very relaxed. Hindi ako takot doon kapag conversation. Yung mga natutunan ko sa anime, nagagamit ko na rin pala. Finally. No? So yun, ito ata yung vlog na may outro eh. So thank you guys for watching. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And I'll see you at the next video vlog adventure. Bukas Miyakojima na tayo. Okay. Shower na ako.